Get your lean first. Stop where you are. Lock your brakes. Lean the bike towards your ground foot. Foot on the left side of the bike. Move the foot on the left side of the bike away from the bike. Away from the bike. That was being on the ground out there. Good. Stand directly behind me and watch how the push brings the bike out. Stand right behind me. 3, 2, 1, 0, and up. See, the bike just comes up. You don't have to force it off the ground with the other foot. You don't have to do anything special. So your pedal's already in position. Lock your brakes. Okay, so countdown allowed. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Go up.
Yeah. We said go. What do you mean?
I mean, like, put my foot to
Don't think about that foot. Think about this foot. Think about that foot will just do its job when it's time.
When it's ready.
Focus on this one.
Okay.
I'm going to receive the bike, so you won't have to balance. We're going to stop it right there. Okay. Ready? To give it a strong push. Count down for me. 3.
3. You can imagine.
So it's 0.
Yeah.
These are going to release.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Push. Good. That was a pretty good push. Now double the force. Tilt it. Lock up the brakes. Bring the pedal up to here again. Okay. So this time, take that same force, double it, but keep the same speed. It's a push. It's like
Okay.
really shove it down.
Because
Okay.
3,
Not going to break the bike.
3, 2, 1, 0.
What'd you forget? Good. This is normal. All the beginners forget to take the brakes off. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay.
No, try it.
3,
Without pushing. 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Ready?
3, 2, 1, 0.
That was pretty good. Let's double it again. Even more force. Pedal up. So remember how I stood on the pedal?
Yeah.
You know how much force that takes?
Yeah.
You can bring that force. It's not going to break anything.
Okay.
The faster you push down, the better the bike gets up into motion. At the traffic light, at the crosswalk, when it's your turn at the intersection.
3, 2, 1, 0.
That's what I want right there. Be forceful with it.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Good. Okay, so until now I've been encouraging you to keep your body relatively vertical and bring the bike back to vertical because that's how you ride straight.
Yeah.
When you want to turn, it's very simple.
Yeah.
Okay, bikes are built to turn. The reason that this is angled instead of vertical is so the bike will do this. Natural.
Yes.
So you don't have to do anything special to cause the bike to turn. All you have to do is agree with it. I don't force the bike into the turn by leading the turn with my angle. I don't fight the turn. I'm on the turn. Unlike car driving, where your arms stay the same length when you're turning, on a bike, your arms change into the turn. It also makes the around, brings your shoulders around, brings your arms around. So you really want to look into the turn. It also makes the turn less scary. If I keep looking forward, I'm scared about the bike turning. If I look into the turn, I know what's going to happen. And so watch how I put it together. Watch. The most important thing to watch is the body angle relative to the bike. It's the same angle. The second thing to watch is how I'm turning my shoulders. Here we go. Like when I work with little kids, I say, your foot is up on a big sofa pillow. Smush the pillow.
3, 2, 1, 0.
That's a good smush. Now go. Nice start. Keep the power. Keep the power. Look to the right. Look right, go right. Let the bike lean a little bit. Look left, go left. Yeah!
Yay.
Power now. Power to get up the hill. More power, pulse. Good. That's your first U-turn.